What's up, y'all? JustZay here, back getting another pickup. Today we got super duper special unboxing. Today we're unboxing a pair of Nikes. And not just any pair of Nikes, these are the Nike Rejuven8. If you've seen the Olympics, you've seen these on King James himself. If you follow me on IG at hometeamzay.com, then you've seen me with these on. I've been wearing these all week now. It's time for you guys to see just exactly what happens if Nike was to make a pair of Crocs, or if Nike was to make their own pair of Yeezy foam runners. So what is $70 gonna get you? It's gonna get a piece of footwear that looks just like this. And I'm gonna be honest, this is not the colorway I wanted, but this is the colorway that I needed. These things right here are selling out super duper fast. Now I got a size 11 in women's and 10 in men. I'll show you guys how these fit in just a second. Now this right here, I'm telling you, man, if you can get your size or half a size up, get these as soon as you can. These are extremely comfortable. Like I said, hence the bottom. I usually try these on within the house and then wear them and then give a review. But these were so comfortable, I actually wore these for at least 2 or 3 days. So, man, there's already videos of people balling in these. These are gonna be the new high school slides right here. This is what these are gonna be. So you get Reactx, of course, which is, I think, is probably one of Nike's better pieces of tech. Super duper responsive. All right, so the first thing you notice about these shoes is all the little holes right here that make this shoe super breathable. The ventilation holes is something that I think this shoe does well. I mean, you have this, it's all one piece. I'm sorry, it's two pieces. You have the whole piece of React foam right here, and then you have it glued on right here. This second part is gonna be the sticky rubber outer sole to get you a nice little grip for when you're walking on surfaces. You have Nike branding right here, Nike branding right here, Nike branding right here, Nike branding right here. And on the inside, you have Nike React. It lets you know the type of tech you're using, which I think is a plus. This is probably one of Nike's better techs. I like this and ZoomX personally. And then on the inside, you guys see that? It just says men's 10, women's 11, made in Indonesia. That's on both pairs. This colorway is a light or wood brown. It says that 3 times, so unfortunately we don't get a specific color name for the check. The check looks almost like a pewter. All right, so can you put these on with one hand or no hands? Nah, it's gonna be easy. Just use your hands. Just use one hand to put these things on, or 2 hands. Taking them off, however, you can slip these off with no hands, no problem. Now the question is, how do these things fit? Now me personally, from top to bottom, heel to toe, I am exactly right at 10 inches. Now, let's see, on the inside of this shoe is gonna put you right at, you guys see what that light is? Right at 10.5 mark. That is how much room you're gonna have from top to bottom. And then for me, I'm 4.5 inches. And this is right at 4.5 inches, maybe a little bit more, right at 4.5 inches. So you can go your true size if you want, or you can go half a size up, or full size up, I'm sorry, and you'll be just fine. Look at what your sister did on daddy. That's funny. Some video on the way. Y'all stay tuned. Yeah. knock out these distractions. Entertain these distractions. And we'll get right back to it. The funniest thing you ever seen? When I put one right there. Oh, that's funny to you? My little polar bear.